Hi guys, so this is Jody cooking, and today guys I'm gonna make you guys some pepper prawns. So that's the prawn that I have. It's already washed, it's already clean. These are all my vegetable. I've got pimento seed, I've got garlic, I've got spring onion, I've got onions, I've got cachemonic pepper, and I also got thyme. And that's the seasoning there guys that I will be using. I'll be using all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, black pepper, jerk seasoning, but you can always use whatever you have, but this is what I have, so this is what I'm gonna use. Alright guys, so my pot is on the stove and it's really hot. So first thing I'm gonna do guys, I'm just gonna pour just a tiny bit of oil in there. After I pour the oil guys, I'm just gonna put I'm gonna add my prawns. My seasoning. Continue to stir it guys. My stove is on medium. Hi guys, so in this bowl that I have, we have a bit of ketchup in there, and I also have some chili sauce, and I put a bit of water in there also. So I'm just gonna add it to my prawns just for it to have a bit of colored. And I'm gonna add some sweet pepper in there guys, just for colored. This is totally optional. Looking so nice guys, look at that color, absolutely delicious. So what I'm gonna do now guys, I'm just gonna cover my pot and allow it to cook for at least 10 minutes. Alright guys, so my prawns is all finished, and this is how it look guys. I'm so pleased with the color, I'm so pleased how it look. What I'm gonna do now guys, I'm just gonna plate it up for you guys and show you guys how it look on the plate. Hi guys, so this is how my pepper prawns looks on the plate, and I'm telling you guys, they're looking so nice and so lovely. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please like and subscribe for many other videos. And thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye.